How to find Instagram login password. Hello guys, welcome back to our another tutorial video. I hope you are doing great. So let's start without wasting time. First of all, open up your Instagram. Now at the bottom right corner, tap on your profile icon and tap on three lines. Now go to account center. Now go to password and security and tap on saved login. Now select your Instagram ID. Now enable saved login. Now go back to your home screen. Open up your settings. Now scroll down to the bottom and tap on Google. Now go to all services and tap on autofill. Now go to autofill with Google and open Google Password Manager. So here you can see your saved Instagram password. So by following this simple step, you can find your Instagram password. Thank you for watching our tutorial. I hope you liked our content.